It is late at night. Emily is inside her tent. The campsite is quiet. She's sitting cross-legged on her sleeping bag. Her phone is in her hands. The tent is small and warm. Her friends from school are in their own tents nearby. No one is talking. Everyone is tired from the long day. Earlier, they had a barbecue by the fire. They cooked food and laughed and took a lot of photos. Now Emily is looking at those photos on Instagram. She can see good times. She can see her friends' faces. She stops at one photo. Her friend Kira is holding a marshmallow on a stick. Her mouth is wide open, ready to eat. Emily smiles. She taps the screen and the keyboard opens. She is about to write a comment. Then she hears something, a small sound on the tent roof. Then another. She looks up and listens. The rain is starting. A few drops at first, then more and more. Soon the sound is all around her. The rain is hitting the tent fabric fast and steady. She closes the keyboard. She doesn't write the comment. She puts her phone face down on the sleeping bag. The screen goes dark. She looks at the mesh window of her tent. Outside, the trees are moving slowly in the wind. Water is running down the outside of the tent. It makes thin silver lines in the dark. She is dry. She is warm. Outside, everything is wet. The small lantern near her bag is still on. It makes the tent walls look soft and yellow. She pulls her sleeping bag up a little. She listens to the rain. She wonders if her friends can hear it too. She thinks they probably can. The rain doesn't stop. It gets a little louder, but it's not scary. It's just rain. She looks at the window again. Outside, everything is moving. Inside, everything is still. After a while, she picks up her phone again. The Instagram photo is still open. She looks at it for a moment. The marshmallow, her friends' faces, the smiles. She doesn't write anything. She just looks. Outside, the rain keeps falling. She closes her eyes and listens. It sounds like it will rain all night.